Hey folks, I'm back in my okra patch this morning, and you see how beautiful all these are? Absolutely gorgeous. But then you get over to something that annoys me. This, folks, is also an okra plant. The deer love this one. This one has been eaten down to the stems multiple times, and in the last couple of weeks it has actually grown about 1.5 feet, had leaves everywhere, and I've gotten okra off of it. But you come out one morning and this is what you got. All those little nubs. But let me tell you, this is a hardy little plant, because in 2 days this thing has already started to grow leaves back. So that's absolutely amazing, but it's really annoying that the deer eat my okra.